So we've been in Edinburgh for 3 days and we finally made it to Edinburgh Castle. Been here about 5 minutes and I'm already up there. So I went for steak, chips, peppercorn sauce. Fish and chips. So we come to this little pub to get some food by the castle. I'm not gonna lie, it weren't the best, but we were just starving. I haven't vlogged too much today because the wind outside is horrific. I'm using my phone as a microphone because it's so loud in here. We're just gonna jump back on the hop on, hop off bus and go to see the monuments, have a little wander around before we get our train at 6 o'clock. So it's only 2:20, so we've still got hours. But I'll bring you along. We've just missed our bus. Why is that? Just typical.
Got some earphones?
Yeah, in my pocket.
Ah, good.
Do you need to? Thank you. Right, so we're back on the hop on, hop off bus. We're gonna go to the monument, have a little walk around, but I think the last bus is like 4, so we might not make the bus back. But then we can just walk around and see where the walk takes us. But fuck me, it's cold. In true Jack and Sophie style, we've missed the stop where the monuments are, so we've got off and we're going to walk up here, 10-minute walk up to the monuments. Oh my god, the Christmas market open today. When I can tell you it's busy, oh my god. Like, people are like barging past each other on the sidewalk. Right, so we just walked through all that chaos and now we're going to the monuments and you can actually see them. Right up there. Out of breath again, as always.
You know what?
No, I need water. So I just made it to Calton Hill, I think it's called. Emphasis on the hill. It's not a hill, it's a fucking mountain. Because I can't breathe. But we're here now. It's nice, it's lovely, it's gorgeous. I just can't breathe.
Ada selam lan lah. Kamu selesai.
Put it off, put it off. I just want to say, oh god, you can't breathe, I'm so unfit.
You can't even see your face though.
Oh, that's nice.